Welcome to a world of deep contradictions where a mountain of shimmering fish scales both 5% straight false weights and the birth of something truly extraordinary. Tons of raw material are gathered daily, discarded by the global food industry, waiting for a miraculous transformation that challenges the very concept of modern luxury. Industrial shovels move through the wet metallic colored piles, a raw scene of industrial waste that hides a hidden potential within its remarkably strong fibrous structure. With a sharp transition, the slimy surface evolves into a sophisticated, exotic texture that rivals the finest leathers found in the most high-end Parisian luxury boutiques. A luxury wallet emerges under professional studio lights, showcasing intricate patterns that only nature could design over millions of years of evolution in the deep ocean. Advanced scanning technology reveals the secrets of the skin. 3 times the strength of cowhide, yet remarkably thin and flexible for the needs of modern design. Digital overlays highlight the structural integrity of the fibers, proving that sustainable materials can outperform traditional options in every technical metric imaginable for high-end fashion, from a pungent byproduct to a $1,000 fashion statement. Welcome to the era of regenerative biotechnology, where no waste is ever truly lost or forgotten. Step inside the mega factory, cathedral of stainless steel and precision engineering, where the journey of transformation begins in massive, high-tech biological fermentation vats. Gigantic fermentation towers rise 20 meters high, housing the complex biological processes that will strip away the organic impurities of the raw, discarded fish skins. Highly skilled technicians in sterile white suits monitor every single variable, ensuring the environment remains perfect for the delicate biological reactions about to take place. Advanced control panels pulse with real-time data, managing pH levels and temperatures with surgical precision to protect the integrity of the natural, strong collagen fibers. Automated robotic systems handle the heavy lifting, moving large batches of raw skins into the high-pressure cleaning systems with tireless, superhuman mechanical efficiency and speed. Violent jets of purified water blast away residual oils and organic matter, revealing the clean fibrous architecture hidden deep beneath the surface of the original scales. The sound of rushing water fills the hall as every scale is meticulously cleaned, preparing the surface for the next sophisticated stage of its biological evolution. Rows of clean skins move steadily along conveyors, looking less like industrial waste and more like a raw canvas ready for a master designer's creative touch. This is not a food processing plant. It is a high-tech sanctuary where the cycle of life is extended through cutting-edge science and global innovation. The transformation is already visible as the heavy gray tones fade away, leaving behind a pure material that smells of nothing but clinical and absolute cleanliness. The mechanical cleaning is complete. Now, the magic of molecular biology takes over to turn raw collagen into permanent, durable, and extremely high-end luxury leather. Enter the laboratory, where clear enzyme solutions flow through intricate glass networks, carrying the catalysts that will redefine the material's molecular structure forever. Microscopic bubbles dance in the fluid, signaling the active breakdown of unwanted proteins while preserving the incredible strength of the core natural leather fibers. Observe the oddly satisfying sight of dark skins turning bone white as they soak in a bath of specialized organic enzymes and natural, eco-friendly proteins. At a microscopic level, the pores of the skin open up, ready to receive the tanning agents that will grant them eternal durability and flexibility. The skins swirl in a neon green solution of vegetable tanning agents, derived from sustainable tree barks and rare forest herbs from across the globe. From beneath the surface, thousands of pieces of leather dance in a rhythmic vortex, ensuring every millimeter is perfectly treated by the specialized biosolution. 3D simulations show the protein chains being rebuilt, replacing the unstable organic bonds with permanent flexible connections that will never decay or produce any odor. Every drop of the enzyme cocktail is calculated by artificial intelligence, ensuring a consistent quality that traditional tanning methods can never hope to achieve today. The texture changes from rubbery to supple, The characteristic smell of the sea is completely replaced by the earthy aroma of natural wood and forest. Mechanical agitators keep the solution in constant motion, mimicking the natural flow of water to ensure a deep, even penetration of the tanning agents. Side by side, the difference is staggering. One is a decaying byproduct. The other is a stable, high-performance material ready for the world's most elite runways. Researchers meticulously check the pH levels of the tanning bath, maintaining the delicate balance required for the perfect chemical alchemy of the fish leather. Gentle heat accelerates the process, releasing a light steam that carries the faint, pleasant scent of forest floor and botanical extracts into the clean air. The monitors turn green, signaling that the biological transformation is complete. The fish skin has officially become a piece of high-grade, premium luxury leather. As the skins are lifted from the tanks, they drip with the promise of a new life, clean, odorless, and incredibly strong for the master artisans. Thousands of white leather sheets hang from the rafters, creating a vast, snowy labyrinth that stretches toward the high ceiling of the massive drying hall. Industrial fans create a powerful breeze, care for removing moisture to prevent any warping and ensuring the leather remains perfectly flat and uniform for crafting. The coloring begins as fine mists of gold pigment are sprayed onto the surface, highlighting the natural diamond patterns of the exotic and rare fish scales. Deep cobalt blue dyes saturate the fibers, creating a rich, multi-dimensional color that seems to shift and glow under different professional lighting conditions. Watch as the tiny particles of color settle into the crevices of the scales, creating a shimmering effect that looks like thousands of tiny natural jewels. Artisans use soft cloths to buff the surface, bringing out a natural luster that enhances the unique topography of every individual skin in the batch. The leather passes through heated rollers, pressing it into a smooth, glossy finish that feels like silk but possesses the resilience of a hard gemstone. The reflection of the halogen lights dances across the polished surface, proving that sustainable materials can achieve a level of brilliance unmatched by traditional leather. No two skins are ever identical. Each piece is sorted by the complexity of its pattern, ensuring that every final product is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Under shifting light, the leather displays an iridescent quality, a natural phenomenon of fish scales that adds a magical layer of depth to the material. A rainbow of exotic leathers is stacked high, ready to be transformed from raw sheets into the world's most sought-after luxury fashion accessories and goods. Under intense inspection lamps, even the smallest imperfection, ensuring that only the absolute best sections of the skin proceed to the final workshop. Digital calipers confirm the uniform thickness, a testament to the precision of the biotech process that turns irregular waste into a standardized luxury medium for designers. The finished skins are rolled with care, their vibrant colors and unique textures a far cry from the gray waste they once were hours ago. With the material perfected, it is time for the human hand to meet the machine, turning these biological wonders into functional art for the elite. A high-powered blue laser slices through the leather with microscopic precision, following complex CAD designs that minimize waste and maximize the beauty of the scales. A thin wisp of smoke rises as the light cuts, leaving behind edges so sharp and clean they require almost no further trimming by hand. A master craftsman, wearing protective black gloves, picks up the pieces, his eyes focused through a high-definition microscope to ensure absolute perfection in every stitch. The needle pierces the tough leather with a satisfying thud, pulling waxed linen thread through pre-punched holes in a rhythm that has spanned centuries. The edges of the wallet are hand-painted with a specialized lacquer, filling the gaps with a smooth, matte finish that creates a seamless, durable seal. Fine grit sandpaper and wooden burnishers smooth the painted edges until they shine like glass, a hallmark of the highest quality luxury leather craftsmanship. A massive hydraulic press descends with power, embossing the luxury brand's logo deep into the leather with a sharpness that will last a lifetime. A small brass hammer taps the seams flat, ensuring the wallet remains slim and elegant even when filled with the cards and cash of the wealthy. The interior is lined with premium silk soft leather, a contrast in textures that highlights the exotic exterior of the recycled fish skin material. High-precision sewing machines whir at incredible speeds, their needles moving in a blur to create perfectly straight lines of reinforced stitching across the wallet. The artisan tests the fold of the wallet, ensuring the scales move naturally and the leather doesn't crack under the repeated stress of daily use. Small, powerful magnets are hidden within the layers, providing a modern, satisfying click every time the luxury accessory is closed by its owner. A final wipe with a microfiber cloth removes any dust or fingerprints, revealing the pristine beauty of a product born from the depths of the ocean. Feel the difference. It is thinner than cowhide but resists scratches and water with far greater efficiency, making it the ultimate material for longevity. Every component is checked against a rigorous checklist. In this room, there is no room for error, only for the pursuit of absolute excellence. The finished product sits on a rotating pedestal, its golden scales catching the light like a treasure recovered from a long-lost underwater kingdom of old. The brand logo glows under the spotlight, a symbol of a new kind of status that values both exquisite beauty and deep environmental responsibility. Data visualizations appear, showing the thousands of gallons of water saved and the tons of waste diverted from landfills by this revolutionary process. The carbon footprint of this lace leather is a fraction of traditional hides, making it the gold standard for the future of sustainable high-fashion luxury. A discerning customer runs their fingers over the unique texture, surprised by the softness and warmth of a material they once thought was impossible to use. In boutiques from Tokyo to New York, these products are taking center stage, proving that the world is for a more conscious form of luxury. In a stunning visual effect, a raw grayfish skin floats in the air before morphing into a finished glowing blue wallet in an instant. We honor the source, turning a byproduct of the sea into a tribute to its beauty, ensuring that every part of the harvest is respected. The future of fashion is not about extraction. It is about the art of the comeback, the magic of turning the discarded into the desired. Fish skin leather, a masterpiece of biotechnology, a triumph of craftsmanship, and a bold new definition of what it means to be truly wealthy. Join the revolution of regenerative luxury, because true elegance should never cost the earth. Reimagined, reborn, and refined for the world.